In the previous video I made about Grok, someone asked a question how to make two characters to talk, like to have a conversation using Grok AI. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make two characters, like a couple, to talk using Grok AI. Something like this.
You know, every time we sit like this, it feels like the world pauses just for us.
That's because when I'm with you, nothing else really matters.
You always say that, but tonight I actually believe you more.
I mean it. Even on the days we struggle, I still choose you.
We've been through so much together.
And we're still here stronger.
So, forever?
Forever, I promise.
Amazing, right? So I'm going to take you through the process on how you can create this from the very beginning to the end. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, drop your comments in the comment section. Let's get started. So to be able to create a video where couple are talking to each other, first and foremost, come over to Pinterest. Click on Pinterest and then kindly open your Pinterest. So once you get to your Pinterest interface, come over to the search bar and then search for couple. I'm just going to kindly download any of them that I love. I think this one is better. So I'm going to click here, the three dots, then I'm going to download. Now remember, we are going to create a video of couple talking to each other. So first and foremost, we get the picture first. Once you get your picture using Pinterest, let's head over to the next step. Next step is for you to come over to Whisk AI. This one, Whisk AI. Come over and click on Browse Gallery. Once you click on Browse Gallery, click on Enter Tool. And then, now we are going to use Whisk AI to regenerate our image. Yes. So click on Add Image. Click on this plus sign here, Upload Image. Here is the image. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to open. Then here is the image. You wait for it to finish analyzing. See here. Wait for it to finish analyzing. The purpose of this is for us to create our unique image. Okay, not getting the direct image from Pinterest. So kindly come down here. You see this pencil icon, click there, and then here is the prompt that you can just copy and recreate your own image. Here is the prompt of this image. Then I'm going to resend. Going to click here to resend for it to recreate this image. Okay, so let's just wait. So I'm going to click any of them to save. I'm going to save to my desktop and I'm going to save as couple. I'm going to save. So once you do that, the next step is for you to come over to ChatGPT and then click on this plus sign. Click on Add Photo and then bring in the photo. Here is it. Couple 2 is our unique image. So click on Open. Now you wait for it to import the photo to ChatGPT. Now here is the photo. So kindly come down here to this mic icon and say, based on this image provided, I want you to give me a prompt for me to create a video where the characters are talking to each other as a couple. Make it unique and enticing to the eyes. I need a prompt for me to create this kind of video using Grok AI. Thank you. Always remember, it is better you use this mic to record your message than to type. Do you understand? Then after everything, you click here to send. So let's wait for the prompt that ChatGPT is going to give us to use and create that couple conversation video. Okay, now let's look at the prompt together. All these things you are seeing is the total sum of how the video should be. So there will be character consistency, the tone, the facial expression. Now you see here dialogue. Here is the dialogue. dialogue, the woman will say this, the man will say this, the woman will say this, the man will say this. Now, this has been arranged in such a way that each of them will be able to say something and the other person will respond. So what I'm going to do is for me to I'm going to come down here from this important, then I'm going to copy the prompt down to this point. I'm not going to copy the dialogue, only the description, the direction on how to create the video is what I'm going to copy. So I'm going to come over to Grok. Once you get to Grok, if you do not have Grok AI, go to Play Store or Apple Store if you are using your mobile phone to search for Grok, and then go ahead to install to your phone. Then if you are using your PC device, come over and then just type or download Grok to your PC. It is very easy. So once you download Grok to your device, look at how the interface is going to be like. Once you get to this interface, come over and then click on Imagine. So you can see here Imagine, click on Imagine. Once you click on Imagine, if by default this is in image, you switch over to video. So then you come over to this arrow, you see this arrow, click on it, then go ahead to select the aspect ratio that you want to use to create your video. For me, I'm going to be using 16:9 aspect ratio since I'm going to be posting this video on YouTube alone. So once you get to this point, you kindly come over and then bring in the image that you want to use. Okay, now remember the couple image we generated, which we saved as couple 2, we generated from Whisk AI. So look at the image. Once you do that, you go ahead to type to imagine. So just kindly click on type to imagine. Then I'm going to paste the prompt. So once you paste your prompt, let's go back to ChatGPT. Now we are coming to ChatGPT to copy the dialogue. So you see, you come over to dialogue, click and then copy the first dialogue. Remember, as at the time of making this video, Grok can only generate a 6 seconds video if you are using the free version. But if you are using the paid version, you can generate up to 10-second video. So once you get to your Grok, what you need to do is for you to come to the upper part of that prompt to paste the dialogue. I'm not saying that you should take the dialogue to the down part of your prompt, no, so that there can be consistency. Do not paste your dialogue here. Do not come here and paste your dialogue. No, go to the upper part of your prompt to paste the dialogue. I believe you understand. Look at it. You see this quotation mark? Make sure you always quote your dialogue so that the software will be able to capture, to know that this is the point I need to start and this is where I need to end. Click here to send. Then wait for it to turn into a video.
Every time we sit like this, it feels like the world pauses just for us.
It does.
You
These
can
moments are
see
everything.
this.
Every
You
time
can
we
see
sit like
this.
this,
You
it,
can see
it feels
this.
like the world pauses just for us.
It does. These moments.
Now let's go through the dialogue to see if they have gotten it right. Every time we sit like this, it feels like the world pauses just for us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They got that right. Let me play again.
Every time we sit like this, it feels like the world pauses just for us.
It does. These moments are everything.
Now you know what? Since Grok can only generate a 6 seconds video, and before it gets to 6 seconds, the woman has finished talking. Now you see the remaining few seconds the man had to respond. Okay, but that doesn't matter. You can cut it off when you are editing. And better still, you can still allow it to be there since it rhymes with what the woman is saying. So now what you need to do next is for you to come back to your Chat GPT. So you come over to Chat GPT to copy the second prompt. Now the second dialogue is what the man is going to say, what the man is going to respond. So I'm going to copy and then I'm going to go back to Grok AI. But before then, I'm going to upscale this video and I'm going to click this arrow here Click on upscale to upscale your video to make your video to be in higher quality. You can see it's upscaling. Okay, most people say that this upscaling of a thing doesn't really look well, but to me, I think it comes with higher quality, and I love the result. So I'm going to come over here to click to download it. So while it is downloading, I'm going to come over to this dialog. I'm going to delete this dialog. Now remember, this time is the man that will respond. So I'm going to delete this point. I'm going to take it off because it's the man that will need to respond the woman. So I'm going to take this one up. Now you see here dialogue, man, gentle laugh. That's because when I'm with you, nothing else really matters. Do you understand? So that is the response from the man. So I'm going to click here to send. I'm going to click here to send. Now let's see if the response is going to be accurate and if it's going to be exactly what is in this prompt, the data. So while we are waiting, please kindly give this video a like. Make sure you like this video. Drop your comments in the comment section. I will really love to read your comments. So let me play.
That's because when I'm with you, nothing else really matters.
Exactly. My God, this is excellent. This is perfect. Trust me, this is perfect. Okay, it is
Nothing
exactly
else
what
really
we need
matters.
from.
That's because when I'm with you, nothing else really matters.
Can you see that? Yes. So that is how you can achieve a couple conversation using Grok AI. And then make sure you always come over here to upscale the video to be in higher quality. So I'm upscaling the video. So you wait for it to finish upscaling before you download it. Okay, it's done upscaling. So I'm going to kindly click here to download. So while the video is downloading, we are going to go back to ChatGPT to copy the next prompt. Remember, we are going to do this together. Okay, this is a way you can get long form video in using Grok AI. So I'm going to come over to ChatGPT to copy the next prompt, which is from the woman. Okay, the response from the woman. So I'm going to copy. Once you copy, I think it's not much again. It's still much. But anyways, let's do it. Okay, I've copied the response from the woman. I'm going to come back. Let me highlight so that I will not forget. So I'm going to come back to Grok. So once you come back to Grok, what you have to do, remember, is for you to delete only the dialogue. You are not doing any other thing. Now pay close attention. I'm not asking you to delete all these things so as to maintain consistency in character, lip sync, tone, so that everything, even this the scene, make sure you do not delete all this so that there can be consistency in character and every other thing. So the only thing you are going to be deleting is only the dialogue. Please pay close attention so that you will get it right while creating your own couple conversation video. So I'm going to take this to the upper part. So once you are done with that, you kindly come down here to click. Okay. Now let's see if the dialogue is going to be okay, if it will get it right. You always say that, but tonight I actually believe you more. So let's wait to see if it will get it right. Let's wait, okay? While we are waiting, please like this video, drop your comments in the comment section, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and do well to share this video. Thank you so much.
You always say that, but tonight I actually believe you more.
I'm glad. I mean every word.
I know you do. You always say that, but tonight I actually believe you more.
I'm glad. I mean every word.
Can you see that? You always say that, but tonight I actually believe you more. Exactly, with perfect lip sync, exactly what is in the prompt, what the dialogue entails. And you know, since Grok can only create a 6 seconds video, the remaining seconds the man gets to use to respond to her. That is how perfect Grok AI is. He doesn't want any any seconds to go unused. That is how crazy it is. So you come over here, upscale. Always remember to upscale your video. To those of you that say that upscaling a video is not good, it depends on individual differences. For me, I love it being upscaled. So I'm going to click here to download. While it is downloading, let's go back to copy the next prompt. But before then, please pay close attention. I've opened a WhatsApp channel where I will be sharing my prompts and some tips on how to succeed on this AI space. So I'm going to be revealing some AI tools that you can use, which I may not have time to make a video about on this channel. So it is pertinent that you join the WhatsApp channel. To join the channel, click the link in this video description or the pinned comment on this video to join the channel, and I will see you there. Also, I am so much open for one-on-one tutorial on AI, faceless content, faceless channel management. I am 100% open for one-on-one tutorial. So to reach out to me, check my video description. You will see an email address for you to reach out to me. Okay. Also, the email address is on my channel description. You can as well check there to reach out to me. Thank you, and let's continue. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT to copy the next prompt from the man response. So I'm going to copy. I think it's not much again. I just want us to do this together. So please, I just want us to create this video from the very beginning to the end, because most times when I get to create only a clip, people get to say, ah, you say you can create long form video, but you only created only one clip. So for that, starting from that day, I got to know that I need to be taking you through the process of getting to create the end result, okay, for you to see how I got that right. So I'm going to delete the dialogue, then I'm going to paste the new one. Now here is the dialogue. The man responds: emotional, sincere. I mean it. Even on the days we struggle, I still choose you. So I'm going to click here. After putting in the prompt, click here to send. Now let's wait to see the result. I know it's going to be crazy. Let's see the results. Please like this video and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much.
I mean it. Even on the days we struggle, I still choose you. I mean it. Even on the days we struggle, I still choose you.
So it has gotten that right perfectly well. I mean it. Even on the days we struggle, I still choose you. Let me play again.
Choose you. I mean it. Even on the days we struggle, I still choose you.
You come over here to upscale your video, and then after upscaling your video, you kindly come down here to download it. Come back to copy the next prompt. So I'm going to copy that. Now let's go back to Grok AI. So remember, it is only the dialogue you need to delete. And so I'm going to click here to send.
We've been through so much together.
We have, and I wouldn't change a thing.
Me neither. We've been through so much together.
We have, and I wouldn't change a thing.
Me neither.
Oh, this is so emotional. As it stated here, emotional eye contact, and you can see the woman is even crying. The woman slightly emotional. We've been through so much together. Let's go back to copy the next prompt. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to copy the last one. This is the last prompt. Let me go back to Grok AI. That is the last prompt. So I'm going to come down here from this point down to this point. I'm going to delete. So then I'm going to paste the prompt. Here is the dialogue: forever and even after. So I'm going to send. See if it will get it right. I believe it's going to be perfect as usual. While waiting, please give this video a like. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Okay,
Forever.
Forever and even after.
Oh,
Forever.
Forever and even after.
okay. Now you can see the characters remain the same, right? There is no changes. The background, there is no changes. It is because of this. You see, all these things I've not deleted. The only thing I deleted from this each time I want to bring in the dialogue is only the dialogue. Yes, I'm not deleting this other part, which is the total structure of how the videos should be. So take note of that for you to maintain consistency in character, tone, maybe scene. You have to do that. Now look at something. I want to show you something right now. For it not to be very boring, you can make them change position, maybe stand up, walk, go out, go to cinema. So let me say they should. Okay, so I'm saying they should stand up and walk to a park. So I'm going to send. Now I'm going to show you, I'm using this to show you that it may not necessarily be that your character will be in one position. So to make it fun, to make it enticing to the eyes, change position, change scene, change environment, change clothes. Let them change clothes. Do you understand? So for it not to be boring. So you see this.
Forever and even after.
So there you can see that.
Forever and even after.
So after saying that, they are at the park.
Forever and even after.
You can see that. So you can always change position. Let me use another environment. Walk to a cinema. So I'm going to say the woman should put on black jacket and white suit. Okay, I'm going to say the woman should put on jacket, black jacket and white trouser suit. So I'm going to send. So let's wait to see if actually my character can get to change clothes or not. Let me see if it has not been programmed for them to change clothes. Let's just see if it will work. We are on this together, remember.
Forever and even after.
Forever sounds perfect.
Let's go.
To forever.
Forever and even after.
Forever sounds perfect.
Let's go.
To forever.
You can see that, right? Extremely perfect. This is good. This is good. I love it. Trust me, I love it. This is good. So you can see that the woman changed to a black jacket as I prompted, and then with a white suit trouser as I prompted. That is excellent, right? So that is how you can get your couple um, conversation video. So once you do that, you can upscale your video, upscale it, and then kindly come down here to download. So once you are done with that, let's head over to the final step, which is getting to arrange all our clips to become one, and then thereafter we export to become one video. So let's move on to the final stage. Come over to your editing software, be it CapCut, InShot, or whatever editing software you are using. So for me, I'm going to be using CapCut. So I'm going to click on import, and then kindly go over to the videos to click. As I made this video yesterday, so it is today that I want to show you how to merge them to become one video. So I'm going to come over to this point where there is indicating here yesterday. So I'm going to click on the first one, then I'm going to open. Okay, so once you add that, you just drag and bring into the CapCut timeline. Do you see that? Then go back and click on import, then click on the second one. Going to click the second one, then open. Then I'm going to drag and bring to the CapCut timeline. I believe you've seen the process, right? Then I'm going to click on this, on import again. Then I'm going to click on the third one, this one, then open. I'm going to drag, take it to the timeline, go back and click, bring in this, the fourth one, which is this one, open. I'm going to drag, take it to the timeline. Just take it, it will adjust. Sure, you've seen, right? It will adjust. So I'm going to go and click on import. Then I'm going to click on the feed one, two, three, four, five, this particular one. So I'm going to open, bring to the timeline. Okay, I'm going to click import, go to the this one, right? Bring to the timeline. Then I'm going to go over, click on import. Then I'm going to click on the last one, open. Then I'm going to bring to the timeline. Now this is the process that you can use to make your video to become one video. Remember, Grok can only give you 6 seconds video. Okay, so for you to make it to become one video, it is for you to merge them, bring them together, and then thereafter, let me just play for you to see.
You know, every time we sit like this, it feels like the world pauses just for us.
It does. These moments are everything. That's because when I'm with you,
You can see that first clip, there is unwanted part in which I did not ask them, or did not ask the man to reply in that first clip. So what you will do is for you to come over to the first clip and then adjust. Do you understand? You can adjust, you can cut out, adjust it to the point that you want. That is what you can do. Any parts that you do not want, click on it, you see here, then adjust, take so that you can cut out the unwanted part. That is the process you can use. So that notwithstanding, let me just play the full clip, the full video, all the clips to become one. Whatever, do not mind the mistakes, just watch it, and then you know, so that you will know that this is the process you can use in getting your clips together, and then it will form a long video. Okay, let's go.
nothing else really matters.
You always say that, but tonight I actually believe you more.
I'm glad. I mean every word.
I know you do.
I mean it. Even on the days we struggle, I still choose you.
We've been through so much together.
We have, and I wouldn't change a thing.
Me neither.
And we're still here stronger.
I wouldn't have it any other way.
Me neither.
To us. So, forever?
Forever, I promise.
You can see that forever, forever. Yes, I promise. Oh, AI has found love. So you can see that that is the process you can use to make your videos, all the clips to become one video. You can get it as far as 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, provided you have the time. Maybe if you want to add any transition to any of these clips, just click on it and then come over. You see effect, you click on effect. There is transition here. You can caption it, you can adjust, okay, and you can as well text. Do you understand? You can add audio to your video. Okay, I really hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and if there is any video at all that you want me to create, drop in the comment section. I'm going to make a video on that. Yes, I can only serve you what you want to see. I can only present to you the kind of videos that you want to watch on my channel. Do you understand? And also do well to join my WhatsApp channel. The link will be on this channel description. So just check the link to join the channel. I'm going to be dropping prompt and important updates in that channel. Okay, WhatsApp channel. All right, thank you so much, and see you in my next video. So once you are done with everything, just kindly come down here. You see export. Click here to export your video. Bye.